Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to download the Discover Bank application on a device. Stick around as we walk you through the simple step to get the app up and running smoothly on your phone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device if you are an iOS user and find Play Store on your device if you are an Android user. Now open it. In the search bar, type in Discover and hit search. Scroll down a little bit until you see this icon. Click on it, then click on Get. Now you need to verify with your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Tech Basics. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.